back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you all how to make this delicious Chinese style roast pork fried rice. So to get started, I have the rice already pre-cooked. I cooked this overnight and had it in the fridge, and I'll be using some eggs. I have the roast pork already made. I'll leave the link to how I made it down in the description box. I'll be using some mixed vegetables as well as some onions, scallions. I have garlic and ginger. For the sauces, I have regular soy sauce and sweet dark soy sauce. I also have some oyster sauce, and for the seasonings, I'll be using some fried rice seasoning, black pepper, and some Chinese 5-spice. So the first thing you want to do is cook your eggs. We'll add the eggs to a wok, and you want to season it with a bit of salt and black pepper. We'll cook them until they're nice and soft, and then we'll remove it and we'll carry on with the next step. Next, we'll add some vegetable oil as well as some sesame oil to the wok, and we will go in with our aromatics. That's our onions, ginger, and garlic. We'll give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this point, you want to add your mixed vegetables as well as the seasonings. Give it a good mix and allow it to heat up for about a minute or two. Next, add your rice. Give it a good stir. Make sure that it's well incorporated with those vegetables, and you want to loosen it up a bit. Then we'll go in with our sauces. Once the sauces are added, make sure that the rice is well coated with that sauce and there's no white spots left. Then you could actually taste it here to make sure it suits your liking. You know, everybody has different taste buds and like things different. So you want to taste it, and if you need to add more soy sauce for that saltiness or the sweet soy for some sweetness, you can go ahead and do that. Then we'll add our roasted pork and the eggs. You want to mix that in really well. And the last thing we'll add is our green onions and some fresh carrots. And that's it, guys. So simple and easy to make, and it's better than any takeout. And here you have it, roast pork fried rice. If you're a pork lover, you will definitely enjoy this. I hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day and enjoy.